Hi guys, in this video we'll discuss how to work with JavaScript right within your browser. So I've opened up my Google Chrome browser. I'll right click, I'll go to inspect, and I'll see all these tabs here, which is elements, console, sources, network performance, memory, application, security, and lighthouse. I need to go to the console tab, and here you can easily type your JavaScript code. So let me start by defining a variable called a, and let's define the value called 5. I know it says undefined, but if you say console.log a, you get the value 5, right? So what I'm trying to show here is that you don't need anything else to trust your JavaScript code, and you can use it right within your browser, as Google Chrome supports JavaScript natively. You can also work with dates. So let's say d is equal to new date, right? So if we say console.log d, you get the date, today's date. You can also work with arrays. B is equal to the array 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and you can console.log the array, so you can get the entire array here. Now you can access the individual values inside the array as well. So you say b, and inside you say 2, for example. So you can access the third value, which is 7, here easily. And you can also define objects. So this object will have two keys. One is the first name, and the value is Akhil. And the second key is last name, and the value is Sharma. And if you console.log c, you can get the entire object. Now you can also access the key values inside the object. So like, let's say if I say here c dot first name, I will get Akhil. Sorry, there's a typo. I'll get Akhil. And if I want to access the last command that I just entered, I have to press the upward arrow key, and I get the last command, just like Linux, if you have used Linux. And I can change first to last here, and I can access Sharma also. So you can perform all operations with arrays like split and adding and concatenation. You can perform all operations with strings. You can perform all operations with objects. All of that code can be tested right inside your Google Chrome browser. So that's a nice feature. I just want to share that with you so that whenever you want to test out some code quickly, when you get in the middle of something, you can do that out here. So thanks a lot for watching.